Hi, this is Mike Tolle at JamPlay.com, and I'm excited to teach this new series on fingerstyle folk blues. Now, I've been playing this style for many years, and I've picked up many techniques and tips and just fun things that I'd like to share with you guys. And we're going to be covering blues from the 1920s and 1930s in the style of Charlie Patton, Scrapper Blackwell up in Chicago, and of course Robert Johnson. In this course, we're going to be covering monotonic or dead thumb bass. We're going to be covering alternating bass. We're going to be covering the actual progression itself, such as the quick change progression. We're going to be covering our triplet rhythm figures in blues. And we're going to be covering the swing rhythm that is prevalent in that type of blues, and sometimes not. Sometimes there's a straight eighth note rhythm. Mostly we're going to be covering the key of A and the key of D. They work great for guitar with all the sliding and bends, and it's just a complete package all in itself. And we're going to just pick apart these blues tunes, and we're going to create it from the ground up. So you'll see it's going to be, first it's going to be pretty easy stuff, and it's going to work up to some things that are probably at a more difficult level. But there'll be something in it for everybody. I've been involved with this music for many years, both as a student and a performer. I studied with some key players back 20, 30 years ago, and I've just been such a fan of this style that I'm really pretty psyched to share some of this stuff with all of you. Get that old guitar out from under your bed in the closet, and doesn't need to be a great guitar. This stuff works good on a $50 guitar just as well as a $10,000 guitar. So I hope to see you in the course Fingerstyle Folk Blues at JamPlay.com.